Hello dear students, this is 2022 paper 1 and question number 8. The question says work out an estimate for the mean. This question always come up in the exam. So we know that the mean formula is sum of all the values and then divided by 2, but this is a group data. So this is group data. When we have a group data, so then we're going to solve it with a different method. So what we're going to do, we're going to find out the midpoint of all of these values. So how are we going to find out the midpoint of all of these values? Let's write down here x value and write down here midpoint. So we're going to add 0 plus 10. So let me do it here. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 is 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45. So this is our midpoint. Now what we're going to do, we're going to multiply, let's say this one is frequency and this is our x column. So we're going to multiply f column and x column and we're going to write down all the values over here. If you multiply 5 times 8, that gives us 40. If you multiply 15 times 10, that gives us 150. If you multiply 25 times by 7, that gives us 175. 35 times by 2 is 70. 45 times by 3, that gives us 135. Now simply what we're going to do, we're going to find out the total of these two values. So we're going to find out the total of this and total of this. If we add all of these values, 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 plus 3, that gives us 30. Now we're going to add all of these values, 150 plus 40, 190, and this add up to 570. Now what's the formula for estimated mean? Estimated mean is equals to sigma f of x divided by total of frequency. So sigma f of x is 570 divided by the sum of the frequencies, which is 30. If we divide this one, so 0 and 0 cancel out, and let's do over here 57 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 one times, so we have a remainder 2. So 3 goes into 27 9 times, so our answer is 19. So 19 is our estimated mean. If you have any questions, don't forget to type it in the comment section, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.